Hey guys, Liz Holterhouse, OBX for sale, here again today to show you another product that I love using in my Airbnb. This is a great product in any kind of small space where you're doing short-term rentals, where your average stay is, 2 to 4 nights. And this is an Inducto cooktop. When I started using Airbnb years ago in 2018, I was in Germany in a small village called A House. And I was in an Airbnb there, and she had one of these. It was a little bit bigger. It had 4 burners on it, and I just absolutely loved it. It's so incredibly safe, so easy to use, very much like a glass cooktop stove. Takes up less space. You can move it anywhere. You can put it away if you don't want it. But the really nice part about it is it's completely safe. You have to use induction cookware, and you have to place it on here in order for this to turn on and get hot. So you cannot turn it on by accident while you're unpacking groceries and you've got groceries sitting up there. It actually has to be the pot and pans that are induction. They have to be setting on here, and the two talk to each other, and then the cooktop comes on and warms up so you can cook. So I actually love the safety feature of it. The one from Europe, of course, was priced pretty pricey. When I looked at it here, it had to be shipped, and I found this one online. And this one served me well in my first short-term rental, and then we moved it over here. And so it's probably now, 4 or 5 years old, 6 years old maybe, and it just works like a charm.